Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we are going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm also going to point out some major talking points of this stunning 220D M Sport Coupe. Presented in a mineral grey, it also does feature a BMW Mperformance Kit. Alongside that, it has got the genuine 405 Mperformance alloy wheels that are not the 19-inch, and all the way around also has got the premium tyres on. Back towards the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2016 16 plate. It has the Xenon Light package. Down the side of the car, you will of course see, situated behind those lovely alloys, the M Sport Plus brakes, and the vehicle comes with BMW's fantastic M Sport Plus package as well. So down the side of the car, you do get the Mperformance side vinyls and of course Mperformance decals. Some protection glazing on the rear windows, and there you'll see not only the stunning mineral grey exterior colour, the vehicle also comes with the Mperformance carbon fibre mirror caps, again making a very nice standout feature for the car. We've got the black Dakota leather option in the interior, comes with both electric lumbar and heated seat options. We've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course thanks to that M Sport Plus package, once again we've got the Harman Kardon surround sound. And of course we'll explore more of the interior details in just a second when I take a seat round in the other side. Isofix rear bench and a centre storage tray, and of course that lovely darkened M Sport headlining working very nicely with the interior and exterior colour combination. Making our way around to the back of the car, you'll see that these alloys are in superb condition, and of course looking very nicely behind those M Sport Plus brakes. Once again, we've got a carbon fibre rear boot spoiler, again looking all very nice. And we'll open up the boot and allow you to have a look at the luggage capacity for the 2 Series. If you've not yet seen one, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how large that area is, alongside the fact you do get split folding seats to make that area even bigger, should it be required. And round at the other side of the car, once again, the mineral grey works extremely well with that BMW Mperformance Kit. And as you can see, all exceptionally clean and tidy, exactly like the wheels on the car. And we'll move on inside now, and we're going to take yourself through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. The vehicle has, believe it or not, come very recently in part exchange, and we are very happy with how the previous owners looked after the car, including of course the service history, which I'll show you shortly. We've got the extended storage option as well, so do get a few more storage spaces around the car, including that one I've just shown you there. We've got the BMW business navigation and media on board. Down here we'll see the dual climate control along with the switches for the heated seats, as you can see there. And I will just run you through a couple of the features of that. So of course there is the satellite navigation. We've also got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, along with DAB and a wide array of other multimedia inputs. I did of course mention it's got that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, so there are the paddles for that. We've got the speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on our multifunction M Sport steering wheel. Alongside, the vehicle has covered just over 60,000 miles, as you can see there. And we'll go in now and take a look at the service requirements and service history for this very special 220D. The next service is due in 11,000 miles time, and going back up to the service history screen, you'll be able to see there that we've got service history all the way up to 55,208. And as you can see there, everything is in the green, so they've all been done on time. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. For further information upon the car, please remember that in the description I'll always leave a link to our website alongside direct contact details for ourselves. And once again, thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully we'll see yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you and goodbye.